Hello, Philip from Illumio here. Quick question. Are you using several plugins and integration solutions delivered by multiple partners? And is this costing you a lot of time, effort, pain, and money? Do you really think that this is the way? Wouldn't you rather be able to be in control of all your integrations, implementing changes to them, while also integrating new digital systems quickly? An integration platform makes sure that you can create or manage your integrations yourself. By organizing your integrations centrally in a way that they are visible, you always have ownership of your integrations. And guess what? Whenever you request your data or want to change the logic or add new software, you can immediately have it. Once again, simplicity and efficiency. Your path to digital growth is our #1 priority, and everything we do follows the international data privacy laws and regulations. Do you want to get in on the latest digital trends? Please follow us on our channels and let us guide you to digital growth.